ALC Technologies Pte Ltd was founded in Singapore in March 1992. Before our incorporation, we operated as Applied Logic Consultants, a trusted system integrator and solutions provider specializing in barcode and magnetic products for industrial and factory automation since 1987. We are a trusted provider of automatic identification data capture (IDC) hardware and software solutions specializing in card printers, barcode printers and scanners, mobile computers, and label software to support your business needs. As an authorized service center, we are dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction. Our mission is to provide you with the right products, dependable repairs, and exceptional support. From marketing and sales to after-sales service and technical assistance, our team of experienced professionals is committed to delivering the highest level of service. We are proud to operate offices in key locations, enabling us to better serve our clients and partners across the region. Our offices are situated in Singapore, Johor Bahru, Kuala Lumpur, Penang. We are honored to represent and collaborate with esteemed brands, working closely with our partners to build lasting relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Our shared commitment to excellence enables us to provide top-quality solutions that meet the evolving needs of our clients with professionalism and dedication. We offer a wide range of solutions designed to optimize business operations. Our card printing solutions deliver high-quality, secure, and efficient card production for industries such as identification, membership, and loyalty programs. Our barcode scanning solutions provide reliable, high-performance scanners that improve accuracy and speed in inventory management, retail, and logistics. Our barcode printing solutions ensure clear, durable labels for asset tracking, inventory, and shipping, streamlining operational workflows. Our mobile computing solutions allow employees to access real-time data, boosting productivity and informed decision-making in the field. Additionally, our label software solutions simplify the design, printing, and management of labels, catering to the diverse needs of businesses across industries. A Gen software solution. It enables users without extensive coding knowledge to easily create Android applications through a simple drag-and-drop interface. It offers a wide range of controls and functions, allowing users to select and apply preferred functionalities to each control. Each control comes with different functions to meet diverse user needs. After applying controls and functions, users can instantly see the results. A Gen software is versatile and can be utilized across various industries such as automotive production lines, healthcare for patient management, location tracking, inventory management, electronic survey forms, price checking through scan-to-print technology, and more. Scan the QR code to transfer the app to your mobile device and view results immediately. If you have any inquiries, you can send an email to us at sales@alcglobal.com. Thanks for watching.